What does SEO stand for? SEO stands for search engine optimization. Now, what is search engine optimization good for? It's good for blogging and it's good for videos. Even some social media posts too, but I'm only going to keep it in the context of blogging and videos. Now, for blogging, you got to make sure that you take a course that teaches you how to do SEO properly on your blog so that your blog post can be found. Otherwise, if you're just putting out content on your blog post, but you're not doing the SEO properly, what's going to happen is you're going to be throwing up billboards, but it's going to be in the middle of the desert. It's not going to be found. So you need to take the time to learn how to do search engine optimization correctly so your content gets found. This is the same thing with videos, particularly YouTube or even Rumble, because that's also another video channel that I do as well. So I have a YouTube and Rumble channel, and it's so essentially important that you do your search engine optimization correctly in your video title and in your tags especially. If you're putting out video content on YouTube or Rumble without tags, it's going to be hard for your video to get found. Now, I understand there's videos out there that don't have tags and they still get a lot of engagement and views, but unless you really know what you're doing, I wouldn't recommend that you start off that way. You got to learn and invest into a course that's going to help you how to do search engine optimization for your videos. And make sure that the SEO that you pick out for your videos, make sure whatever you talk about in the video matches those tags, matches those keywords. Otherwise, you're going to confuse the search engine and your video is not going to be found. So keep that in mind when you're doing search engine optimization, is you want to make sure that your keywords are targeted and specific. It can't be just about anything. And you're going to make sure that you take the time to learn and master how to do SEO properly so that your content can be found.